going to take this to Washington, so we're going to open it early. It's from Gammy and Papa to Benson and Nash. Oh, I don't know.
Can you help him with the bow?
Gammy wraps presents so beautifully with these big bows.
Yeah.
So pretty. You wanted one of those bows?
Yeah. Okay, now me and Nash are going to do this one.
Okay, let him do it with you, okay?
There's a box in here.
Yep.
Where is it? I don't know.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
A box.
Do you
That's
help-
it?
Do you need help opening
It's just
the
a box?
Yeah. This is a box.
Can you get a knife for...
Oh, can you have oh, scissors. That can work.
Ready?
A wish.
Oh, but we don't have a Wii.
No,
How are we going to play a Wii game?
I don't know. Maybe there's remote control stuff in there. Yep, there's Wii stuff.
Did they get us a Wii?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have a TV. My favorite. They gave us a Wii.
We have a Wii now.
Yeah. I told you they gave us their movie. I want this one.
You want that one?
I want this one.
Oh.
We should call and tell them thank you, huh?
Yeah. What's player mine?
I don't know. This one I already hooked up.
This one. Now see, that one's one player. I want to be one player. Do you?
Hey, you super excited?
Do you want to be Mario or
Step on that. No, step on
Luigi, Nashi?
Benson, you super excited? Yeah?
Nash, I'm gonna play. Do you want to be Mario or Luigi?
Look, we got Just Dance
This is Luigi. This is Luigi.
and Star Wars.
Yep.
Maybe